Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well and good. Today we are going to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about load shedding in your locality. The Examination Hall, ABC Road, Karachi. To the editor, The Daily Dawn or etc., Karachi. Dear Sir, I would like to draw the attention of the authorities concerned through your esteemed newspaper to the problem of load shedding in our locality. Power failure has become a common thing in our locality nowadays. Students are badly affected because they have to prepare their daily lessons. All the routine of life is disturbed. We have been facing this problem for a long time. We have written the authorities several times, but they have not paid any attention towards this problem. I shall be highly obliged if you kindly publish this letter in the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I strongly hope that the higher authorities will take some prompt action to save us from this trouble. Your faithfully, XYZ.